Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D atmospheric cloud simulation using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, NumPy, a numerical library that provides efficient ways to work with arrays and perform mathematical operations, and matplotlib.pyplot, a plotting library used for creating various types of graphs and plots. It is commonly used for 2D plotting, and MPL toolkits. This is a module from matplotlib that provide tools for 3D plotting. Specifically, Access 3D is used to create 3D plots. And now we'll create a 3D volume which is simulated cloud data. So np.randomSeed42 set a fixed seed so the random value are reproducible, and cloud volume is that generates a 3D array of 30 into 30 into 30 of random values between 0 and 1 representing cloud density. And now we'll create grid indices for the volume. So np.indices creates coordinate grid array corresponding to each voxel in a 3D shape. Now you have x, y and z arrays of shape 30 into 30 into 30 for mapping points. क्या ही कर बाहर से बात कर दे. So here threshold is equals to 0.7. This defines a cutoff for what's considered dense enough to visualize, and mask is equals to cloud volume greater than. And now we'll plot. So plt.figure sets up a figure window with a specific size of 6 into 6 inches, and projection is equals to 3D enables 3D plotting inside the subplot, and 111 means one plot. And now we'll scatter plot the cloud voxel. So ax dot scatter, which enables plots with each voxel as a white semi-transparent dot, and X mask, Y mask and Z mask are only plots the voxel that pass the threshold, and alpha is in clouds, and S is equals to 10, which is the dot size. And now we'll style and label the plot. So ax.set face color gives the background title for the required label. Ax.set all axes for a proportional 3D view, and at last we'll display the plot. So plt.title layout adjusts layout so nothing overlaps, and plt.show displays the plot.